Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be telling you how you can add a navigation menu on your Wix website. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to go onto the editor of your website. So once you're on the website editor, you're gonna go on the left hand side. You will see a column over here. Wait for it to load. Okay, so you're gonna click on this where it says add elements, the plus sign, and then you're gonna go on to menu and anchor, and then you're gonna go on to theme menus, and then in the theme menus you're gonna select any design and you're gonna click on it, and then you can drag it and add it to the top where you want your navigation menu at. That's how you can add navigation menu onto your Wix website. If this video helped you guys out, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel as it really helps us out. Thank you guys for watching.